This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel.
Can you use fruit in Chinese cooking? We're going to answer that question and give you a tasty example. This is the recipe for beef and papaya wok stir fry. Almost any fruit can be used in cooking, and this applies to Chinese cooking as well. Because papaya is sweet, it is generally not cooked, but it is an excellent fruit for stir fry, and because it's sweet, you don't need to add sugar. Botanically, fruits have seeds. Some fruits, like bitter melon, have seeds, but is cooked like a vegetable.
There you have it, stir-fry pork with bitter melon. Enjoy.
Pineapple, which is sweet, is obviously a fruit and is used in Chinese cooking. But something like a tomato, which doesn't have the sweetness, but it's also a fruit that is used in Chinese cooking.
There you have it, beef and tomato, stir-fry. Enjoy.
Some fruits are not so obvious, like kabocha squash, which has seeds, but is cooked mostly like a vegetable. The final example is eggplant, which I didn't know was a fruit, but eggplant is a very popular stir-fry dish in Chinese cooking. Now for the recipe on hand. We're going to cut up some slices of the papaya, so just cut around the skin. Take off the skin. Papaya has the same texture as cantaloupe, which means cantaloupe can be stir-fried as well. Once we're finished slicing up the papaya, we're ready for the next step. Here are the ingredients that you will need for this stir-fry.
You preheat a wok at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So we're going to put some aromatics in there. So we have half a cup of celery. We got some ginger and also some carrots. Give that a quick stir fry. So we need about 4 to 6 ounces of beef. So we cut this beef up into thin slices. We put cornstarch, oil, salt, soy sauce, and marinate it overnight. So now we're just going to put the beef down and sear. We've got the heat on high right now. So give the beef a good sear, just like that. And then you mix in the aromatics. So the beef is roughly 3/4 cooked, so we're going to take that off right now. So put a little more oil in the wok, and then we're going to put the papaya slices in. So you got maybe 2 or 3 cups in there. You want to get a little sear going on the papaya. So now we're going to put 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, put 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of oyster flavor sauce. The papaya are naturally sweet, so we're not going to add sugar for this. But then I want to put a thin sauce on this, so I'm going to put maybe half a cup of water in there. We're going to add back the beef and the aromatics, the celery, the ginger, and the carrots. I'm going to put some Himalayan pink salt. This is natural salt, or you can use regular salt. So I'm going to put maybe half a teaspoon of salt in there, or less if you like. I got about a teaspoon of cornstarch in maybe 3 tablespoons of water. So this is going to be a thin sauce, so you don't need to add that much cornstarch. give that a final stir fry. There you have it, beef and papaya stir fry. Enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up, and also if you get a chance, check out some of my other videos. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world, and also I was awarded top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button.